base of our arm that we're building. This part here, I'm going to show you a really simple view of something, and the expectation is that you'll either do this and you would look at adding some of your own design to it as well. So for this very simple view of this, we've gone to Fusion, we've drawn our sketch, we're going to get our rectangle tool, and we're going to make another rectangle that's going to be 45 by 45. We're going to finish this sketch. We're going to extrude this to 6mm. Now we can look at adding some features to this. If you wanted to look at giving yourself a radius around all of this at 2mm, add some features. But what we want to look at is sketching